The oldest living person, female, is Misao Okawa, aged 114 years.
There is definitely something rather special about the people who live in the Kansai region of Western Japan. It's already home to the world's oldest living man, 115-year-old Jiroemon Kimura. And now it is home to the oldest living woman too. Misao Okawa was born in the city of Osaka in 1898. She got married in 1919 and she still has 2 surviving children who are both in their 90s. "I'm very happy and feeling good," Mrs. Okawa said, as she received her certificate of longevity from the Guinness World Records. She said she has never suffered any serious health problems and puts her great age down to always eating a lot of tasty food. Rupert Wingfield-Hayes, BBC News in Tokyo.